This is for assignment 9 SQLite. So if I do a get mapping, this is Postman. I'm basically looking for students in my database. So I have get mapping here. Get mapping goes into the repo. It finds all the students inside the student repository, or the database here. And here it's showing me all the students, which I have none there yet. So I can add a student using this. This is a JSON. I'm going to add one student. Name, Connor. And then age. This is... Oh. I like that it shows errors inside the actual JSON response itself. I also forgot it's very small, I can't really see very well. There we go. Okay, and so if I send this to students, if I do post mapping, it should add this new student to the database. Okay, it says student added. And then if I go to get mapping, remove this, it should show me that student that was added. I'm going to add 2 more students. So I can add this again, take away the ID, unindent it, add Bingus, 1,000 years old. And I can add like Bruno. Add to the database. Then I can do post mapping. I can visualize all the students in the database. So right now I am doing post mapping. So whenever I post, I'm basically just saving a new student to the repository. So it's requesting this from the HTTP request from the JSON, from the body of the JSON, and this is the student object, and then it's saving that student object. So now let me just get my... Okay, so get, I've done that. I'm going to retrieve a single student, so here's the first student. I can receive the third, so I'm using the ID, and right there I have this get mapping that checks for the ID, and then it finds that's the student whose ID is the one that was found in the JSON body, or in the... So the path variable would be, I believe, this. So it will look in your path and see that, okay, you put 3 inside the path. So I take that from the path, and then I find that specific student in the repository. If that student does not exist, then just return null. And so I can put as well. So if I go to the put mapping, I'm going to change, and this basically updates the data of a student. So what I can do is I can get the first student, and then I can copy this student's information. Then I can update the student. So Connor updated name, and then I can send that. Now that student information should be updated. Oops. Come on, load. Oh no. Oh wait, this is just the wrong. How do I? There we go. There we go. Got our updated name, so I updated that, and that looks like this. So it gets the student from the repository and saves it, and then that's updating it. So now we can do delete mapping. So I go here, students. I go to a delete. I don't want to delete the first student. I'll delete like the last one, so I'll delete the third. If I send that, it should have deleted the last student, which was Bruno, and he's gone. Now I'm going to do the pagination. So the pagination basically allows you to select multiple things at once. So I can choose. So I'm going to do it right now. Page equals 0, and size. Yeah, size equals 2. So this will get me the first 2 students in the database, and it's not working. Why? It worked before. I do not know why it's not working now. I mean, I have this. Like, I have this allows for pagination because I've updated this repository. Find name containing ignore case name. Let's see if I can actually get the student whose name. So if I do search, and I'm doing get mapping, should work. Bad request. Well, I don't know why it's not working. It was working before, but I don't know how to fix it. Let's just see if I can. If I add a get mapping. Oh, so here's what I would add. So get mapping / search. Return repo find by name containing ignore case name. I'll have to restart the database, but this is what I was lacking. So whenever you do /search, it then goes into like the repo and searches for that name. So if I restart this and then add another student, so I can just do this quick. Just gonna add that, and then I can do this command, search name equals Alice, and it still doesn't work. Well, I don't know that. These extra points are moot. I can't tell why it's not working, but it was before. I don't know why it stopped. Every time I tried to like showcase it, it doesn't. It seems to not work. I don't know why. Student search name equals Alice. Alice. Oh wait, I'm doing post. There we go. Just because I was doing the post mapping. There we go. That has worked. And then I also need to add this. So get mapping page. This should I'm pretty sure this will allow me to do what I did before. I'm not sure though. Nah, I don't. Nah. Anyway, at least I got search working. So yeah, I can search. I can use the name of a student rather than their ID to find a student by having this get mapping search and then using this here in the interface to find a student by their name instead of their ID. And yeah, thank you.